guys, again we are here, and today I have a few questions like travel question.
About traveling.
Yes, about traveling question, and we are
We are
talking,
going to practice
discuss.
our English
Yes,
with this. We have some topics and we are
yes,
going to talk about those topics. And the topic is about traveling.
yes.
We are not getting anything, so that's why I thought let's talk about traveling. This is very interesting topic and we can speak easily about it.
Okay, let's see how we will
Perform.
perform.
Hmm.
Yes,
The first question is going to speak my sister.
yes. So first question is, why do people enjoy traveling?
Why do people enjoy traveling?
Hmm.
Um, First, I want to ask why you like traveling.
Because I like traveling, because when I am doing traveling, when I am doing traveling, that time I feel happy, and many thing I learn, and maybe I think many people when they do traveling, and they learn many thing while traveling.
Traveling refreshes our mind. We meet with the different peoples. We keep touch with them and we learn from them. And when we travel out of country or out of our area, we see different views and different areas, different nature. Like nature are same in our surroundings, but when we go out from the home, we always see some different flowers, trees, waterfalls, rivers, lake, and what are the things like about traveling. And sometimes we travel out of curiosity,
Yes,
like for traveling purpose. Many people, they are very fond of traveling. They don't feel better by just staying at home, so that's why they always decide end of the week, they always decide to go outside with their family and enjoy their time with them. So this is how most of the people, that's why most of the people like traveling. So what's your point of view on that?
and while traveling, many people they learn how the people survive, and
Their tradition, their
cultural, spirituality,
their foods also, different
food,
varieties of
different
foods.
foods.
They
Yes,
always try different things.
yes.
Have you ever tried other countries food?
No,
Never.
never.
uh,
Yes.
okay. And in India, what you like to eat?
Idli, dosa.
Hmm.
That's it.
And most of the time, what do you eat? Idli or dosa?
Idli, because in my
Area.
area,
It's
idli.
it's available very easily because Italy seller men, we can say, comes every day in our street,
In
and we
morning.
buy from that man, that from that person. We have to just pay money. You should have only money,
Yes.
and then you can buy Italy very easily. Okay.
Okay, second question. If you could travel anywhere in the world, where would you go and why?
First, I would like to go Uttarakhand because I have one of my YouTube mentors. She's very famous YouTuber. She teach English on YouTube, and her name is Sunita ma'am. She lives in Uttarakhand. She teaches English to every students, and that's why. And I have seen her all blogs that she has made, and she has uploaded on YouTube, and I watch every day her blogs with the scenery of the green mountains, greenery, lake, and there are so many different beauties about trees, flowers. When she shows her surrounded, like she's surrounded with mountains, and there rains heavily, So these are the things I really like traveling over there. So what do you think? Like where would you like to go if you could travel any other country?
If I will get opportunity to visit
Hmm.
any kind of
Area.
area,
Hmm.
so I want to visit out of country like America, because over there every people is
Speak
speaking English.
I
So
know you have shared with me earlier. That's why I know about you.
because in India people they try to learn English very try.
Ah.
So and America people they don't face any kind of problem
In
and
English, in
in English.
speaking English.
Yes, so that's why I want to visit America, and over there people and every people they speak in English. That's
Okay.
why.
I also had a dream to visit America because there every people speak English and they don't face any difficulties challenges in their speaking English. I think that's a native language in America. English is a native
Yes.
language in America. Okay, that's why they don't face any challenges. And what about you? What about us? Like for speaking English, we have gone through a lot of difficulties for just learning English. Tried we have tried speaking English so many times. Like we have practiced together, we have watched so many videos over YouTube, we have watched so many podcasts. Okay, let it be. Whatever we are doing, it's great.
Okay, next question. What do you usually pack when you travel?
Pack necessary stuff like clothes, foods, and playing stuffs,
Yes.
and our
Most important thing,
needed things.
charger.
Yeah, phone charger. We
and
forgot
camera.
about it all things. Yes, most important things, charger and phone. We never skip this. Like we never forget taking with us our phone. It's very important. What do you pack mostly when you go outside to visit?
Clothes. Same thing.
Same thing.
Yes.
Okay. Any special thing that you pack, like instead of phone?
Book.
Books you can say, because when we travel on train, when we travel by train, it becomes very boring. Like we can't withstand, we can't tolerate long journey, and there are a lot of noises around us. So we can, and headphone also, we can peacefully listen any kind of
Yes.
song while traveling. We can read book peacefully, like in
Yes.
our mind, not by just speaking loudly. Okay, so let's move to the next question.
Do you prefer traveling alone or with family and friends? And why?
I would also I would like to travel with my friends and families, because traveling, it becomes very boring when you travel alone, and you cannot you cannot enjoy alone any traveling. When traveling is long, it's a long journey, it's a very difficult. And when you travel with our family, we can enjoy our traveling very easily. So what do you think?
I also prefer travel with your family, because as you can tell to everyone ki
If you need anything in the between of traveling, you can get very easily if you are with your parents. So let's ask next question.
Next question. What are the biggest challenge people face while traveling?
What are the biggest problem people face while traveling? Noise. Most
Noise.
biggest problem is noise. And if we forget something at our home, in our home, and we get remember in the between of the road, and on the train or on the bus, we regret a lot, like why did I forget this at my home? We should bring it with myself. So these are the things these are the challenges. But when we in our hurry, when we are in hurry, we always forget something. So we are done with our conversation, with our practice. So we are going to meet with you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and continue with your journey. Whatever you are doing in your life, just be consistent, be passionate about your goals. So okay, bye guys.
Bye.